by the Sherlocks is played in standard tuning with no capo. But the main riff for the song is played in this little octave shape. We've got 7th fret the low E string with the first finger, and the 9th fret the D string with the 3rd finger, and we're just going to play down, 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 up, down, down, down. That repeats. The main riff for the song starts off on the 3rd fret of the B string. Play that 3 times, go down to 2 on the B string, the 4 on the G, 2 on the G, 4 on the G, finish on 4th fret of the D. The chord progression for the verse is B minor, 4 bars of that, D for 4 bars, G for 2 bars, A for 2 bars, and then back into that main riff. So the strumming pattern is actually the same as what we've just played for the main riff. So we have the down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, for 2 bars on the B minor. Same rhythm on the D, twice through. Once through the G, once through the A, and back into the main riff. Okay, so slowly the B minor. D, G, A, the riff. Before we go into the chorus, there's a little stop on the riff, so we're playing it as normal. And we just stop there, so we have the down, 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 up, down, down. There's a little rest before we go into the chorus. The chords for the chorus are actually the same as the verse, we just play them in a different order. So we start off on the G chord, same rhythm, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, then to the D, B minor, and the A, and that just repeats. So we start from the G, D, B minor, A,